Hello viewers, welcome to our video. 10 incredible health benefits and uses of black seed oil. What is black seed oil? Nigella sativa, or black seed oil, is a small flowering shrub with purple or white tinge of flowers that grows in Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Western Asia. While it may look unsuspecting, the shrub produces fruits that have tiny black seeds. These black seeds have been used in remedies for thousands of years. Some additional names for black seed oil include black cumin, black onion seed, Kalonji, black caraway. Black seed oil has been shown to have antioxidant properties. These can help relieve inflammation inside the body and on the skin. 1. Helps to reduce acne. According to the Journal of Dermatology and Dermatologic Surgery, applying a lotion prepared with 10% black seed oil significantly reduced the incidence of acne after 2 months. Those who participated in the study reported 67% satisfaction. Hydrating hair. Black seed oil can be applied to human hair to soften it and promote shine. 2. Strengthens bone. Some studies suggest that anti-osteoporotic effects can account for the potent antioxidant properties of black seeds and its volatile oil or thymoxine. Alpha-heterin, isolated from black seeds, is a powerful in vivo anti-tumor activity. It increases interferon production, protects normal cells from harmful invader effects, and helps to destroy tumor cells. 3. Strong antioxidants. Recently, World Health Organization, WHO, recommended the consumption of black seed and its oil as a herbal remedy. Black seed oil has anti-diabetic function. Thymoquinone, TQ, the principal bioactive compound of black seed oil, is considered to be a strong antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic, and anti-mutagenic agent. Several research studies have reported that use of black seed oil in diabetics helps to regulate blood sugar levels, while also enhancing pancreatic function. 4. Wound healing. Application of black seed oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and the presence of bacteria to aid in wound healing. While it doesn't seem to be helpful in growing new collagen fibers, it does stimulate other growth factors to help the body create new healthy skin. Softening skin. Black seed oil has been added to oils and moisturizers to improve skin moisture and hydration. 5. Nasal inflammation. Black seed oil shows promise in the treatment of allergies. In a 2011 study, published in the American Journal of Otolaryngology, for instance, black seed oil was found to reduce the presence of nasal congestion and itching, runny nose, and sneezing after 2 weeks. 6. Diabetes. Black seed oil may be of some benefit to people with diabetes. According to a review published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine in 2015, researchers analyzed previously published studies on the use of Nigella sativa for diabetes and concluded that it could improve blood sugar and cholesterol levels in diabetes models, but noted that clinical trials are necessary to clarify the effects. 7. Helpful in asthma. Preliminary research suggests that black seed oil may offer benefits to people with asthma. For example, a study published in Phytotherapy Research in 2017 found that people with asthma who took black seed oil capsules had a significant improvement in asthma control compared with those who took a placebo. 8. Fights obesity. Black seed oil may reduce risk factors in women who are obese, according to a study. For the study, women consumed Nigella sativa oil while following a low-calorie diet for 8 weeks. At the study's end, weight, waist circumference, and triglyceride levels had decreased by more in the group that took the black seed oil. 9. Aids good sleep. Black seed oil serves a natural sleep remedy. Research shows that black seed oil can help eliminate sleep disturbances and make one sleep better. Those with insomnia can take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and 1 teaspoon of honey in warm milk 1 hour before they go to sleep. The benefits of black seeds are immense. You can add these seeds to casseroles, stir-fries, salad dressings, try them combined with lemon, cilantro, etc., and baked goods, or sprinkle them on salads. Therefore, several researchers claim black seed oil is probably the most essential oil you can bring into your system. 10. Reduces skin allergy. Black seed oil also acts as an antihistamine, which helps to reduce the allergy sufferer's negative symptoms. The essential oil of black seeds is antimicrobial and effective in deworming. Bonus tip. Other uses of black seed oil include: black seed oil is also used as a remedy for conditions such as allergies, asthma, diabetes, headaches, high blood pressure, and digestive disorders. In addition, black seed oil is said to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and fight infections. Thank you for watching our video. Be healthy. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.